What is up, beautiful people? I have a review on some nail products for you guys, and also I'm hoping to be able to record and have little mini videos here for you guys on the side of how I do my gel nails. They reached out to me, this brand did. It's called Nail Addict Los Angeles. You can follow them on their social media and I will have their link down below. They have sales from time to time and they have a lot of beautiful gel polishes if you're into doing your nails at home, which I am. I switch between doing gel nails and also doing like stick-ons and things like that. So yeah, I will be posting like little videos and also pictures of when I actually did my nails using these polishes. So they sent me 3 shades, and I have to say my favorite one is actually the nude, which is the Sea, Swing and Sun. And I will show those here. I've been using this a lot for my pedicure. Absolutely love it. Just an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful nude shade. And then I got sent 2 of the glitter ones. One's called Not Ashamed, which is this gold, and then this reddish pink is called The Precious. So you'll see those on a manicure that I did as well, and those are so much fun. I also love the fact that they have the colors on the top like that. So if you're somebody who has quite a bit of polishes like me, a lot of them don't have that and it's very annoying, so you have to like go through them. So I thought that was really neat that you don't have to, like, you know, go through all your polishes and try to find a color. You can just automatically look from the top and see what shade it is. They also sent me their base and their no wipe top coats. These are really great as well. It's always great to use like a base and the top coat and keep it within the brand itself. And then the really cool thing was the remover. So this is actually like something that you just basically like file your nails when you're ready to take them off, and then you apply a few coats of this, wait 10 minutes, and you can literally just scrape off the gel. So it makes it so much more easier. So basically what I do is I put a coat on my natural nails. I just use the base coat, and then I will cure it in my lamp for around like 30 seconds, and then I will do a coat of one of the colors, 30 seconds, a second coat, 30 seconds, and then the top coat, 30 seconds, and then wipe with alcohol, I'm thinking. So yeah, so it was super easy, beautiful nails. I absolutely love the formula, really, really nice. I know that they do a lot of sales, and I will put their link to their website down below. If you guys want more nail videos, let me know. I was thinking of doing like more reviews and more videos, so you guys can see like the steps that I take and stuff like that, and I hope that that's helpful for you guys. But I think that they have gorgeous colors, especially their solid colors. They have just such a great array of different shades, and they also have a great variation of the glitter ones as well. So very, very beautiful, and I love that they're like, a lot of them are like the big glitters, which are some of my all-time favorite as well, and they're nice and opaque. With 2 coats I was able to cover the nail completely. Just really, really nice quality. And they also have an Instagram page where you can see a lot of the shades if you're curious like what they're gonna look like on the nails as well, because I'm one of those people that will go searching for the color to see what it's gonna look like, because sometimes when you see it on here, it doesn't like look as the same as when you like put it on. So far theirs have been pretty on point, but you know, if you're curious for any color online, then you can definitely check out their Instagram page. They probably have it there. So let me know what your thoughts are down below as far as gel nails, as far as like seeing reviews of other nails. I'd love to hear from you down below. I also share a lot of those nails that I do on my Instagram. If you're interested, you can follow me there as well. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.